Tracking email campaign performance is crucial for optimizing your outreach and ensuring you're hitting the mark. In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'll walk you through how to track your email campaign performance using the platform. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just looking to get more out of your campaigns, stick with me as I cover all the essential steps you need to know to see your results in real time. First, if you're new to Apollo.io, it's a powerful platform that lets you handle everything from prospecting to email campaigns, and you can start using it completely free with the exclusive bonuses available through the link in the description below. Now, let's dive into tracking email campaign performance. Once you're logged into Apollo.io, head over to the Email Campaigns tab from the main dashboard. This is where all of your campaigns live. Here, you'll see an overview of each campaign you've run, including stats like open rates, click rates, and replies. These are your baseline metrics for assessing how your emails are performing. Click on any campaign to get a detailed breakdown. On the campaigns page, you'll be able to view a list of all the emails sent, with metrics such as delivery rate, open rate, click-through rate, and bounce rate. These numbers give you insight into the effectiveness of your outreach. Open rates, for instance, help you gauge the effectiveness of your subject lines. If your open rate is low, it might be time to test different subject lines or adjust the timing of your sends. Next, look at the click-through rate, CTR. If people are opening your emails but not clicking on your links, it could indicate issues with your email body or call to action. The CTR will show you how engaging your content is. If you notice this number is low, consider A/B testing, different messaging, link placement, or CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. Apollo.io also allows you to track replies. This metric is essential because a high reply rate means your emails are prompting action from your recipients. If you're not getting the responses you expect, this could suggest a need to refine your messaging or follow-up strategy. For deeper insights, Apollo.io provides email tracking for individual emails, not just the overall campaign. This means you can track the performance of specific emails within a campaign and see what's working and what's not. It's a fantastic way to optimize future outreach. One of the more powerful features of Apollo.io is its ability to automate follow-ups based on these performance metrics. If someone hasn't opened your email or clicked on your links, you can set up automated reminders to re-engage them. Apollo.io's automation ensures you're always following up at the right time without having to manually monitor every contact. For advanced users, Apollo.io offers filtering and segmentation tools that let you dive deeper into your campaign results. You can segment your audience by different criteria, like location or industry, and then analyze how each segment is interacting with your emails. This helps tailor your future campaigns to maximize relevance and effectiveness. Another great feature is the real-time reporting Apollo.io offers. You don't have to wait until the end of your campaign to start making adjustments. The platform provides up-to-the-minute data, allowing you to pivot your strategy while your campaign is still running. This helps you make data-driven decisions on the fly and ensures your campaigns are constantly improving. Finally, I want to mention that Apollo.io not only helps you track performance, but also lets you visualize it through easy-to-read graphs and reports. This makes sharing results with your team or stakeholders super simple and clear. Before you go, I want to remind you that with Apollo.io, you can track email campaign performance and much more for free with an extended trial through the link in the description. This is a great opportunity to explore everything Apollo.io has to offer without any commitment. So, whether you're optimizing your email subject lines, improving engagement, or just tracking the basics, Apollo.io's tracking features have you covered. With the platform's powerful tools and detailed analytics, you'll have the insights you need to continually improve your email marketing strategy and drive better results. Don't forget to check the link below to grab your extended free trial and start tracking your email campaigns on Apollo.io today.